Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a mixture of AI agents in n8n. So we are going to create basically here some agents or a lot of agents that are going to, let's say here, have some results, or these results are going to be, let's say, fused together and also filtered together into some nodes, and then we are going to aggregate the specific agent to a final professional agent. So how we can get that? Basically, I'm going to show you here a picture or a screenshot of a plan that we have in here, and that plan is going to be working well. So we are going to have here the specific node of a when a message is received. So we're going to have at least, or as you can see in this example, 4 AI agents. And these AI agents are going to be named differently. So you are going to have maybe, so for example, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, OpenAI Chat or ChatGPT, Llama, or Copilot, or whatever. So here we are going to use two merge nodes, as you can see, for two or every two AI agents to here merge the logic or the logical response of each one of the agents. And then we're going to have two nodes that will wait for the second merge is going to be completed. Now, we're going to have another merge, which is going to merge right there the data or the responses of the four, as you can see, AI agent. Then they are going to aggregate, or we are going to put a node that will aggregate the merge signal from the four ones. And then we're going to have the aggregator agent. So we're going to start by adding the first thing. So we're going to head over n8n, and then we are going to click on add first step. Of course, we are going to do these things for free. We are not going to have them as for testing with pay-in, but it is going to be up to you. So we are going to choose the first one on chat message, or for example, here, as you can see, when chat message, for example, when chat, or here we are going to have a message on chat message. For example, you are going to have here the public. So you can go ahead and have the authentication of that, for example, and then you're going to have the settings of it. You can go ahead and have when chat message is received. So we are going to de-zoom in a little bit, and then we can go ahead and set up the thing in here. Now, what are we going to do basically is to click on the plus here, and then we are going to add the AI agents. So we can go ahead and add maybe AI agents like that. So you can go ahead and click on connected chat trigger node, which is this. And then we're going to have the AI agent. So we can go ahead and have the chat model. And we can go ahead and add maybe chat model of here DeepSeek. The first one, you can go ahead and have a credential to create the DeepSeek. Here you need, for example, to set up a credential, have whatever you want from these bots, and then you're going to have it like that. So we're going to have it just like that. We're going to have DeepSeek added just like that. Boom. And also we can go ahead and add, for example, another AI, for example, agent, which is going to be something like here, maybe Gemini. We're going to type in Gemini, Google Gemini, which is going to be this. So you can go ahead and create your credential and have an API key from Gemini. So this is going to be agent number 2. So we are going basically here to have this added just like that. So basically I am going to have this set up like that. And I do not want to add this to this, but let's see here. So the wrong part that I have did in here is going to be just like that. So we are going to have added this. We are going to type in AI agent. We're going to have Gemini, for example. We're going to add it just like that. You need to set up the credits or the credentials. So I'm going to delete that, put this away like that. Then we are going to click on the plus. We are going to have another AI agent in here. So we are going to type in AI agent. Then we are going to only add the chat model, maybe ChatGPT or OpenAI chat model, which is going to be ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and select from the list in here GPT-4 or 4o mini and etc. Set up the credential. Do not forget that about the API key and also the organization ID if necessary. And at the end in here, you can go ahead and have Llama, for example. You can go ahead and have the AI agent and type in here the chat model Llama. So normally it is going to be Llama. Let's see here. I think that the name of it is going to be Llama like that. So it's weird why it is not going to show up, but I don't think that this is the right one. So maybe like that. I don't know here. You can go ahead and add this chat model. I don't know if you're going to have it just like that. Doesn't matter a lot for the type of the specific, as you can see here, agent or the here the chat. Now we are going basically here to have a specific. Let's say here we are going to add another node, which is going to be merge node. Merge. We are going to have it like that. We're going to choose the mode of append, and we're going to have it just like that. So we are going to put the input 1 and the input 2 for here. And then we're going to have another one which is going to be duplicated. So we are going to have it just like that. And we are going to have the input 1 and the input 2. So it is going to be the same. Now, the third part, or which is going to be wait till second message merge, we're going to add here wait. We're going to type in wait here. Let's see here, wait till. We're going to see here the wait, which is going to be this. Here, a specific time. You can go ahead and have a certain amount to continue. And then you can go ahead and have it like that. So this is not the right node. So basically we are going to add here the if. So we are going to type in if, and then we are going to select the value is going to be a string, and we are going to have is not empty. So I'm going to give you this code. So no input connected. That is fine. So we are going to have it just like this, and you're going to see the input. This is merge 1. So as you can see, it is going to be connected, and here we have it. Now the second one is going to be for merge. As you can see here, merge only is going to be only named merge. So it is going to be like that. So we need to name them as much as we have in here. So I can go ahead and duplicate this by having it just like that. So we are going to duplicate it. Control D. Doesn't matter a lot. We are going to double tap in here. Merge 1 is the output. We are going to connect it just like that. And you're going to see that it has changed. So we are going to have them just like this. Now we are needed in here. So if you see this merge number, you are going to have it like that. So this is the code that you should put in the if cases. Now let's move on to the second one, which is going to be merge 2. We're going to add merge, which is going to be this. We're going basically to set it as append also. This is the first one, so we are going to delete here. This is the second, and also this is this one. So we are going to have it just like that. So for the, as you can see in here, the true, yes, that means the condition that has been reached. It is going to be like that. And now we are going to have the node of aggregate. So we are going to click on plus, aggregate, just like that. We're going to have here individual fields or all items data, as you can see. So we are going to have here, as you can see, the things. You can set up all items data into a single list. For example, you can have here them added all specific or specified insets in here, you can go ahead and set it up as in here. So you can put the input field in here. So preferably you're going to put all items data. Here you are going to put data and all fields in here. You can go ahead and set up the mock data. So you need to set up the mock data in here, and then you're going to put them manually by yourself in here. So I haven't prepared those. These are going to be a little bit advanced, but it is going to be having in here. So the final step is going to have the aggregator, let's say here AI agent. So we are going to have the AI agent, which is going to be there. So basically, it is going to be connected to maybe chat, trigger node, and etc. So this is going to be up to you to set up the end of the aggregation. So this was only a model of the mixture of the AI mixed agents that you can go ahead and add. The finishing in here is going to be up to you, or the output is going to be up to you. So I have made this only for simple uses, and then you need to only set up all the logic in here. So for the merging and condition and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.